Bobby. I'm here today to give you a couple tips, one from last week because I forgot to do last week and I ran out of time when I remembered, and then the tip for this week. So the first tip I'm going to give you is, I'm going to tell you what batting is. This is a piece of batting. Batting is to go in between the top of your quilt and the back of your quilt. So when you have a quilt, you're going to use a piece of fabric for your top. Make this your top of your quilt, and then your batting goes underneath the top, and then you put another piece on the back. And this is what's in between your top and your back of your quilt. The batting comes in all kinds of different types of batting. There's high loft, low loft, mid loft, there's black, there's wool, there's polyester, there's just cotton. There's all kinds of batting out there, but I use the low loft mixed batting. It's polyester and cotton together, and that's what I use in most of my quilts. So that's what batting is. And the next tip I'm going to show you is a design wall. Now this is my design wall. With a design wall, you can stick your pieces up here and they don't fall off. You can move them around and see how you want to design your quilt. If you don't like the layout, you can just pick them up and move them wherever you need to. This is called the design wall. This was ordered from a quilt company. If you do not have this type of design wall, that's considered, it's actually called design wall if you look it up. But you can use the back of a tablecloth that you can buy at a store. Just turn it over and use the fuzzy side of the tablecloth and it will also work. You can use a piece of flannel and you can also use batting. So any of those are options that you can use for a design wall. My design wall is just stuck up here with tacks. Some people will use Velcro so they can peel it off and on. Some people will just fold it up and store it away with their quilt blocks on it and then unfold it when they need it. So that's just another tip if you need somewhere to lay your blocks out or something to see different layouts that you can do. You can get a design wall, and I gave you some other options you can use if you don't have the actual design wall. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Get in contact with me. Like my Facebook page. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching.
Yes.